Yes, okay.
Okay. Okay. So, thank you sa sininga time. Kag, ang una na akong napamangkot kay si Mr. Entila nag-insist gid nga.
Again, Mr. Moderator,
Okay.
I am
Okay.
standing up here. Can my opponent also stand up here?
Okay. So, ang una na akong napamangkot sa kay Mr. Entila, imo gin pamatud-an kag gin pirmahan ang ini nga topic. According to the Bible alone, the papacy was instituted by Jesus Christ. Kag ang akong napamangkot is diin nga teksto mabasa sa Bible nga nagasiling gin-establish ni Hesukristo ang papacy.
Kung ang imo question na Pastor Loaya, nga basa ako litra por litra, ginsiling ko nang daan, kay klaro na.
Wala ko Wala ako nagsiling nga litra por litra. I'm not saying litra por litra. I am just asking the text which says Jesus Christ established the papacy.
I have given it already in Matthew chapter 16 verse 19. I give you the keys of the kingdom of heaven. And the background is Isaiah chapter 22 verses 20 to 22. When God gave the keys to Eliakim, He told of Eliakim that he is also a father to Judah. The word father is Pope. Since it is repeated in Matthew chapter 16 verse 19, it has the same meaning. The papacy is found there. The doctrine of the papacy and the office of the papacy is found in Matthew 16:19.
Okay. So, imo gina-insist nga ang Matthew 16:18 amo na siyang starting sang papacy.
16:19.
16:19. Okay, sorry. So, diin da sa Matthew 16:19 nag-mention sang papacy.
Ano na gani silinggo hindi pagbasa ang litra por litra kundi understand.
No, I'm not saying litra por
You mean to
litra.
say hindi pag-understand ang ini nga verse?
Okay. Ang aton nga pirmahan diri is about the papacy. We're not dealing about the Pope.
The Pope is also
we're not
part of the
dealing on
papacy.
Peter. Okay, sorry. We are not dealing on Peter. We are dealing on papacy.
Peter is
So
the
nga kung
first pope.
napamangkot ari. Diin sa Matthew 16:19 ang word nga papacy. O bisan din na lang ang word, bisan i-intindihon mo na lang.
Tira nga, I will explain it to you again and to our brothers and sisters who are listening to us. The Pope is the supreme visible head of the church.
Diin na mabasa.
Na-explain ko pa, di ba may limita? 1 minute.
Sige.
Mr. Moderator. The Pope is the supreme visible head of the church.
Mhm.
Christ being being the head of the church, give the keys to Peter, and that keys means supreme authority. Therefore, Peter is the supreme authority in this visible church. And that supreme authority is equivalent to papacy.
Okay. So, Mr. Moderator, siguro natapos ng iyang explanation within 1 minute. Ang amon nga concern diri is the system of the Pope. The system of the Roman Catholic Church, which is the papacy. The proposition is, according to the Bible alone, the papacy was instituted or established by Jesus Christ. Ang akong napamangkot simple lang, di ina mabasa.
Ano basa ang kag-insindihan? Ano bang insindi natin sinisang keys gilaya? The blood supreme authority. Ano is the one given the supreme authority? The blood Peter. Ano is the meaning of papacy? Giving of the supreme authority to become the leader of the church. Since Peter is the apostle, and he was alone among the apostles who was given the keys, he is supreme among other apostles, and he is the supreme leader of the church.
Okay. So, wala mo gin sabat akong napamangkot eh. Dito ko matanto ko sa imo ginamban na Peter was the visible head of the church. Di na nga teksto.
Alright, when Jesus Christ said to Peter, you are Peter, and upon this rock I will build my church, I will give you the keys of the kingdom of heaven. During that time, si Peter, visible or invisible? Visible, therefore he was called the visible leader of the church. When Jesus Christ ascended to heaven, Peter was the one who acted as the visible leader of the church. But behind Peter is Jesus Christ. Peter is the prime minister, Jesus Christ is the king. Peter is the deputy of Jesus Christ. Therefore, Peter was acting in the name of Christ. It can be found in Acts chapter 1 to Acts chapter 15. From Acts chapter 1 to chapter 15, it is all the time authority is exercised by Peter. Masin kasi Paul is higher than Peter. It could never be. Paul, huling salta lang si Paul. So from chapter 16 to chapter 28, it was the story about Paul because Luke was the companion of Paul. But Luke as a historian pointed out that Peter, among the 12 apostles, exercised authority after the ascension of Christ as proven in Acts chapter 1 to Acts chapter 15. Acts chapter 1, when Jesus Christ ascended.
Dapat siguro, Mr. Moderator, yung explanation within 1 minute.
Ang nga mga timer, wala magkatahin sa ako, no?
Timer, please note the,
Ah?
again. Stop. Okay.
Tag 1 minute lang eh.
1 minute lang. 1 minute lang ang ano. And please, binoted nga kung question ka mo, it should be answerable by yes or no. I-qualify yung inyong question para nga hindi magkwan. Kaya kung isa ka argumentong alin pinitong mo kaya ang inyo yung ginapumangkot, pinapalibot-libot nyo.
Okay.
Isa dapat na naman ba?
Okay.
Ano pa, can I request, dali lang gid, Mr. Moderator,
Yes.
may video to to. Kung pwede, Drake ako, pwede ka diyo. Okay, hindi na karon makita ang imong hitsura
Okay.
sa aton nga document na.
Okay, time out.
Ano yung banda?
Question.
Okay.
The fact is that he is only going to seize it when he is satisfied of his question. The fact that he is not satisfied of his question, so he keep on asking the same question, you keep on answering the same answer.
Okay.
So, your time is running and both of you will be the loser.
Okay. So, another question.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Okay, time. You
So,
have,
no-
you have 5 minutes left to have your questions. Okay.
Okay.
Go.
sa nung sa kinsiling mo, Matthew 16:18, ang yabi ginhatag lang sa kay Pedro, matuod hindi.
Matthew 16:19.
19.
Ang si Usoya, hindi na yabida, no? You are Peter, na pandistract
Ah,
at the my church.
okay. Ang case lang, ang ako nga pamangkotaryo. Ha? Ang case ba na, ginhatag lang sa kay Peter.
Ang case ginatag kay Peter as can be proven in the New Testament.
Sa kay Peter lang, kung
Sa kay-
wala na sa iban.
Wala na sa iban.
Kung may mabasa ko nga may ibang ginatagan, ano imuon mo?
Sino ang ginatagan ni Hesus Kristo? May ginatagan ng iban?
Oh.
Case of the Kingdom of Heaven, basahon mo?
Basahon mo, Mr. Moderator, basahon mo.
Ang imo
Kung mabasa ko, anong imuon mo kung mabasa ko?
Di ko mabasa mo lang eh. Promise lang ko ya. Nga si Pedro, ginatagan, case of the Kingdom of Heaven.
Ari ang ako nga. Ang imo, ang patinan mo, gin mo nga proposition mo.
Mhm.
Si Pedro lang gid ang ginhatagan sang yabi. Amo na ang iyong ginhambal kagina.
Okay.
Naghandog ka nga si Pedro lang.
Mhm.
Karon kung may mabasa ko nga bisan hindi may ibang nga tao nga hindi lang si Pedro, anong imuon mo?
At mabasa mo lang eh, bro, respect ko. Gina-question mo sa akon.
Amo nga ni.
Okay.
Amo nga ni. Kay te ang imo nga claim si Pedro lang. Pero basahon ko sa imo nga may ibang ginatagan hindi
Hindi,
lang si
ang
Pedro.
ako niya qualification na Pastor Loya, no? Case of the Kingdom of Heaven. Hindi a key of knowledge.
Ano
Kaysa
knowledge niya?
Luke chapter 11 verse 52.
Aryo, Mr. Moderator.
Okay.
Mr. Moderator, ako nga i-clarify ang akong question sa iya. Ginhambal niya ni Mr. Intila nga ang keys of the Kingdom of Heaven,
You should-
ginhatag lang sa kay Pedro.
Pastor Loya, please address your question to your opponent.
Okay.
If you
So,
want to,
kaya wala,
if you want any further clarification, you can do it to me.
Okay.
But with regards to the question, if he doesn't want to answer it, it's up to him.
Okay,
But the
Aryo.
most important thing is that you are trying to question him.
Okay.
Okay.
Kani gina-address ko sa imo kay daw hindi niya entertain na ako nga ano eh.
No, he is entertaining your
Okay,
question,
are.
answering your question.
Liwakton ko ang akong nga question. So, no sa imong ginambal, si Pedro lang gid ang ginhatagan sa yapi. Amo na ginambal mo. Kung mabasa ko,
Hindi, ano pa, Mr. Moderator.
Are patapos ako anay sa
Objection, Mr. Moderator.
Okay.
Wala ko nagsiling nga si Pedro, ginatagan sing yapi.
Okay.
Nagsiling ko, si Pedro lang.
Okay,
Excuse me.
Recorded.
Order lang, anay.
Nagsiling ko, nga si Pedro,
Mr. Ricky,
ginatagan.
please, I'm asking for the time. Please ask questions categorically. Tapos nung pumangkot ka mo, inang nubo lang siya, answerable, maintindihan ta. What you're trying to prove here is, you want to answer him, you should ask him categorically. Kung naman silindot na mag-construct ka mo sa question, you should construct it ng categorical siya. Hindi kay i-construct na madamo. You're asking questions you're not proving. It's up to him to prove or not, and it's up for him to answer it or not. As long as you go on your questions, your points is is moving. Your time is moving. Your time is constrained. Okay, Mr. Timer? Okay, go. 2 minutes
Okay.
more.
So Mr. Intila, hindi gali ang inambal mo nga si Pedro lang ang ginatagan, hindi gali to sakto.
Sa lang ang mga question na...
Hindi sa lang question.
Ari, wala ko ganyan kitapos. Hindi
Let
na
him
question
answer
mo ko,
first.
pasabtan mo ko hindi.
Okay. If you still want to answer, time out. You still want to ask questions? Okay. If you want to ask questions, okay, that's end. And then we're going to let him answer for 1 minute. And then after 1 minute, you can rebut. You can have your other questions. Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
So maliwat ko pamangkot.
Okay, you want
Okay,
it.
liwat
Okay.
pamangkot.
Your time for 1 minute. After he, okay, you ask questions.
Sa sa ginambal ni Mr. Intila nga si Pedro lang ang ginatagan sang yabi. Matuod o hindi.
Okay.
Hindi naman to, kaya ang ginsilay ko, ginatagan sa yabi, sa ginirihan sa langit. Sa Revelation 20, ang anghel ginatagan ba sa yabi mo? Para paggagapo sa kay Satanas. Sa Luke chapter 11, verse 52, ang mga parisiyo ginatagan sa yabi, o
Okay,
rin
time.
yabi sa ginirihan sa langit.
1 minute pa. Okay, are you satisfied?
Okay. Sa imo ginapanghambal wala ginasa ko nga teksto.
Okay, go ahead.
Kaya ginaistorya naton diri sa apostolis ang mga gitutunan. Ako na nga iyambal sa imo kung may mabasa ko nga may gitutunan ang ginahatagan man sa giabi anong himuon mo.
Ati ang ma-prove sina, nga duwa na gali ang ginatagan sa yabi, kag duwa na gali ang pope. But the fact is, there is only one leader.
At imo na problema din
Time. Okay. Second round.
Okay.
Negative speaker, please deliver your constructive speech for 12 minutes. Mayong gilining may pulpitos lang ang duwa kada isa. Okay, ready.
Okay.
Mr. Timer, dali lang yun. Timer.